Did you know that Nebraska has more miles of rivers than any other state in the nation? Or that hidden beneath its rolling fields lies one of the largest underground water systems on Earth? Or that the same land once roamed by mammoths and ancient camels is now home to towering sand dunes that move like waves? Well, get ready, because we're about to uncover 25 incredible facts about Nebraska, a state where the plains are never plain and the horizon holds more secrets than you'd ever imagine. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to GlobeX for more cinematic journeys across America, and comment corn for 10 years of good luck on the Great Plains. Fact 25. The River State. It might surprise you, but Nebraska has more miles of river than any other state in the U.S., more than 80,000 miles in total. The Platte River, broad and shallow, stretches across the heart of the state like a silver ribbon. For centuries, it guided explorers, pioneers, and wildlife alike. Each spring, more than 500,000 sandhill cranes migrate along its banks, one of the most breathtaking natural spectacles in North America. At dawn, their cries echo across the mist, wings outstretched over the water, painting the sky with movement. In Nebraska, rivers don't just shape the land, they shape life itself. Fact 24. The Great Sandhills, America's hidden desert. Covering nearly 1/4 of Nebraska, the Sandhills are one of the largest grass-stabilized dune systems in the world. From the ground, it looks like rolling pasture. From above, it's a sea of green and gold waves that stretch to the horizon. Formed by ancient winds that blew sand into hills thousands of years ago, the Sandhills are a rare ecosystem, part desert, part prairie, and home to wild horses, elk, and countless birds. Beneath them lies the Ogallala Aquifer, a vast underground ocean of fresh water that sustains much of the Great Plains. It's one of America's quietest wonders, vast, vital, and endlessly alive. Fact 23. Chimney Rock, the beacon of the West. Rising nearly 300 feet from the plains, Chimney Rock is one of the most recognizable landmarks of the American frontier. For settlers on the Oregon, Mormon, and California trails, this towering spire was more than a landmark. It was a promise that they were halfway across a continent. Carved by wind and rain from soft sandstone, Chimney Rock still stands tall after centuries of storms. It's more than a rock. It's a monument to hope, perseverance, and the endless horizon that drew people west. Fact 22. The land beneath the waves. It's hard to imagine now, but millions of years ago, Nebraska sat beneath a vast inland sea. That ocean left behind layers of limestone, shale, and the fossilized remains of creatures long extinct. From ancient fish to giant marine reptiles like mosasaurs, fossil hunters still uncover bones and shells from that era in the state's western Badlands. In places like Ashfall Fossil Beds State Park, entire prehistoric ecosystems have been preserved in volcanic ash, animals frozen in their final moments. Beneath Nebraska's farmlands lies another world, written in stone and bone. Fact 21. Carhenge, where the past meets the absurd. In the middle of the Nebraska plains, near the town of Alliance, stands something unexpected. Carhenge. It's a full-scale replica of England's Stonehenge, but made entirely of vintage American cars. Built by artist Jim Reinders as a tribute to his father, it uses 39 automobiles arranged in a perfect circle, all painted gray to mimic stone. It's quirky, creative, and wonderfully Nebraskan, proof that even in the quietest corners of America, imagination still runs wild. Carhenge isn't just art. It's humor meeting history, parked forever beneath the prairie sky. Fact 20. The state with 2 time zones. Nebraska may seem simple on the map, but it actually runs on 2 different time zones. The eastern 2/3 of the state follows Central Time, while the western edge, including cities like Scottsbluff, runs on Mountain Time. Drive across the state and your phone will jump forward or backward an hour as you cross the invisible line near Ogallala. For travelers on long drives, it's a small reminder of just how wide and diverse Nebraska really is. A bridge between east and west, between sunrise and sunset. Fact 19. The Sea of Grass. Nebraska's prairies are part of what's known as the Great Plains, one of the largest grassland ecosystems on Earth. Here the wind moves like water, flowing across endless fields of bluestem, buffalo grass, and prairie wildflowers. In spring, the The air is filled with the sound of meadowlarks, and the horizon feels infinite. Once, millions of bison grazed here, so many that early travelers described the land as alive and moving. Today, conservationists are restoring native grasses and herds, reviving a landscape that once stretched unbroken from Canada to Texas. The plains may seem quiet, but if you listen closely, you can still hear the heartbeat of the past. Fact 18. The city under the city. Beneath downtown Omaha lies something few people know about, a network of hidden tunnels and underground passageways. Some date back to the 1800s, built for steam pipes and deliveries during the city's early industrial boom. Others were rumored to be used during Prohibition, when speakeasies and smugglers moved barrels of liquor below the streets. Though most are sealed now, their entrances still exist, doorways to a forgotten world beneath the modern skyline. Omaha's history isn't just written above ground, it's buried beneath it. Fact 17. The lightning capital of the plains. When storms roll across Nebraska, they don't whisper, they roar. The state experiences some of the most powerful thunderstorms in the country, with dazzling displays of lightning that can strike hundreds of times an hour. Out on the plains, there's nowhere for the sound to hide. Thunder rolls for miles, echoing across open sky. Photographers and storm chasers travel from around the world to witness the drama. It's nature's fireworks show, a reminder that beauty and danger often share the same sky. Fact 16. The world's largest indoor rainforest. In the heart of Omaha stands the Henry Dorley Zoo and Aquarium, home to the world's largest indoor rainforest, the Lied Jungle. It spans over an acre under a massive glass dome, filled with tropical plants, waterfalls, and animals from South America, Africa, and Asia. Walk through it, and you'll feel humidity rise, hear parrots call, and see mist rising from the canopy. Outside, the zoo also features a desert dome, underground aquarium, and nocturnal exhibit. It's more than a zoo. It's a journey through Earth's ecosystems built in the middle of the Midwest. Fact 15. The cave beneath the prairie. In a land known for open skies and endless grass, it might surprise you to learn that Nebraska hides one of the largest natural caves in the Midwest, Happy Jack Peak and Chalk Mine near Scotia. This man-made wonder, carved into soft chalk rock over a century ago, stretches for thousands of feet underground. Visitors can still walk through its tunnels, where the walls glitter faintly in the light and the air feels cool and ancient. Above ground, the rolling prairies stretch as far as the eye can see. Below, a hidden world whispers of miners, fossils, and time, two worlds layered, one on top of the other. Fact 14. The state of mammoths. Nebraska's official state fossil isn't a dinosaur. It's the Columbian mammoth, one of the largest elephants that ever lived. These massive creatures once roamed the Great Plains in herds, standing over 13 feet tall with tusks as long as a car. Fossils have been discovered all across the state, in riverbeds, quarries, and even construction sites. In fact, the town of Lincoln is home to the Merrill Hall Museum, where some of the most complete mammoth skeletons in the world are displayed. Long before farms and highways, mammoths ruled this land, leaving their bones as a reminder that Nebraska has always been a giant in its own quiet way. Fact 13. The town built on water. Most people know that Nebraska is landlocked, but few realize that it sits above one of the largest freshwater aquifers on Earth, the Ogallala Aquifer. It stretches beneath 8 states, and Nebraska covers the biggest portion of it. The aquifer holds enough water to fill Lake Huron, sustaining farms, ranches, and entire towns across the region. It's why the state's farmlands remain green even in dry summers, an ocean beneath the prairie. Farmers call it the lifeblood of the plains, and without it, the American heartland would look very different. Fact 12. The blizzards and the blaze. Nebraska's weather doesn't believe in moderation. In summer, the heat can top 110 degrees. In winter, blizzards roar down from the north, turning highways into rivers of white. The state's record low sits at 47 degrees below zero, while its highest ever reached 118. It's one of the few states where you can experience tornadoes, ice storms, and drought, sometimes all within the same year. The people here don't just talk about the weather, they live by it, shaping their rhythm around its wild heart. In Nebraska, nature keeps you humble and always alert. Fact 11. The Great Platte River Road. Long before highways, long before the railroad, there was the Great Platte River Road, a natural corridor that guided millions of pioneers westward. It wasn't a road in the modern sense, but a series of trails following the Platte River's steady current. The Oregon Trail, California Trail, and Mormon Trail all converged here, turning Nebraska into the gateway to the frontier. Wagon ruts from those journeys are still visible in places like Scotts Bluff National Monument, carved deep into the prairie. To stand there today is to see history beneath your feet, the grooves left by hope, migration, and the search for something greater. Fact 10. The Valley of the Cranes. Every spring, Nebraska's Platte River Valley becomes one of the world's greatest wildlife gatherings. More than 600,000 sandhill cranes stop here during their migration north, the largest such event on the planet. At sunrise, the air fills with their calls, echoing across the river like music. They rest, feed, and dance across the plains in a ritual that has gone on for millions of years. Photographers, scientists, and travelers from every corner of the globe come to witness it. For a few short weeks, Nebraska's skies belong to the cranes, a moving cloud of wings that reminds us nature still writes its own poetry. Fact 9. The Archway over America, spanning Interstate 80 near Kearney, the Great Platte River Road. Archway Monument is one of the most unique roadside attractions in the country. This massive two-story museum stretches over the highway, allowing travelers to drive right beneath it. Inside, it tells the story of America's westward expansion, from covered wagons to modern cars, with life-sized exhibits, sounds, and immersive displays. It's part museum, part time machine. Even those just passing through can't help but glance up as they drive underneath, a bridge that connects past and present with every mile. Fact 8. The Husker spirit. In Nebraska, football isn't just a game, it's a way of life. The University of Nebraska Cornhuskers have one of the most passionate fan bases in the nation. Every home game, Memorial Stadium in Lincoln, becomes the third largest city in the state, filled with over 90,000 fans dressed in red. When the crowd sings and the band plays, the sound rolls like thunder over the plains. Win or lose, the loyalty never fades. Here, the team isn't just part of the community, it is the community. The Cornhusker spirit is Nebraska's heart, beating strong every fall Saturday. Fact 7. The capital that touches the sky. Most state capitals look the same, but Nebraska's is something else entirely. Located in Lincoln, the Nebraska state capitol rises 400 feet above the city, topped with a gleaming bronze statue called the Sower. It was built in the 1920s in a stunning Art Deco style, symbolizing growth, wisdom, and the spirit of democracy. Unlike every other U.S. state, Nebraska's legislature is unicameral, meaning it has only one house instead of two. Its government streamlined, efficient, and uniquely Nebraskan. From its observation deck, you can see the plains stretch endlessly in every direction, a view as wide as freedom itself. Fact 6. The town, that time, froze. In the small town of Brownville, near the Missouri River, time seems to have stopped. Cobblestone streets, 19th century homes, and wooden bridges still stand much as they did in the 1800s. Founded before Nebraska even became a state, Brownville survived floods, droughts, and the march of modernity, all while keeping its historic charm. Today, it's a living museum of frontier life, with bookstores, art galleries, and festivals that celebrate its enduring past. Walk through its quiet streets at sunset, and it feels like stepping into a sepia photograph. Still, golden, eternal. Fact 5. The waterfall in the prairie. When people think of Nebraska, waterfalls aren't the first thing that come to mind. But Smith Falls near Valentine will change that. Tucked within Smith Falls State Park, this graceful cascade drops nearly 70 feet into a moss-lined canyon, carved by the Niobrara River. The water stays icy year-round, flowing over ancient sandstone and creating a small green oasis in the middle of the plains. In summer, visitors paddle by in kayaks or float on inner tubes as butterflies drift through the mist. It's a place where Nebraska whispers instead of roars, a hidden gem that reminds you how beauty often hides in quiet corners. Fact 4. The Valley of the Niobrara. The Niobrara River Valley is one of the most ecologically diverse regions in North America. Within just a few miles, you can move from pine forest to prairie to wetland. It's where the northern, eastern, and western ecosystems of the continent collide. Elk graze along the bluffs, bald eagles soar overhead, and waterfalls tumble from limestone cliffs. The river itself flows wild and free, one of the last major U.S. rivers not controlled by dams. Paddling its waters feels like stepping into another time, where the land still belongs to itself. Fact 3. The stars over the plains. Nebraska's open skies make it one of the best places in America for stargazing. Far from city lights, the Sandhills become an ocean of stars, so clear that the Milky Way looks close enough to touch. At night, coyotes call in the distance while constellations drift silently overhead. Every August, the Perseid meteor shower turns the darkness into a canvas of falling light. For astronomers and dreamers alike, Nebraska offers something few places can, a reminder that the sky is still wild, vast, and infinite. Fact 2. The heart of the nation. Nebraska sits almost perfectly in the geographic center of the United States. In a field near the tiny town of Llewellyn, a simple stone marker commemorates the spot that balances the country from coast to coast. It's a quiet place, no fanfare, no crowds, just wind, grass, and a single flag. But standing there, you realize something profound. Nebraska isn't just in the middle of the map. It's the heart that connects everything around it, a place where east meets west, north meets south, and history meets the horizon. Fact 1. The spirit of the plains. Nebraska is often overlooked, a place people drive through on their way somewhere else. But those who stop, even for a moment, discover something extraordinary. It's a land of subtle power, where rivers carve their own paths, where the grass moves like the sea, and where the sunsets burn brighter than fire. It's where resilience is born, where community runs deep, and where silence carries meaning. The wind that sweeps across these plains has been singing the same song for thousands of years, a song of endurance, of hope, of life that never gives up. Nebraska isn't loud or flashy. It doesn't demand attention. It simply is, vast, steady, eternal. And once you've seen its open sky, felt its quiet strength, and watched the horizon stretch beyond sight, you'll understand why those who call it home never truly leave it behind. And there you have it, 25 incredible facts about Nebraska, a state of rivers, prairies, and sky, a place where the land seems endless, but every inch has a story to tell. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to subscribe to GlobeX for more cinematic explorations across America, and comment corn if you're ready for the next adventure. Thanks for watching, and remember, even the quietest places can hold the loudest wonders.